Journey has been wearing the AFOs, which are the old braces, for almost a year. It's been working really well. She enjoys the braces. There's been some more bad days and then better days. She usually puts them on willingly. There's been, when she first got the AFOs, it was a lot of regression and not wanting to, and then the longer it went on, she did. The main reason I decided to get her the braces is because when she was walking, especially quicker, her ankles would roll as if she was tripping and falling, and she has been able to get around a lot easier with the braces. Her ankles don't roll as bad as they used to. Now that she's been wearing the braces for almost a year, she's able to get around a lot better with less trips and falls. Orthopro's been amazing. Every time I reached out to them, they answer right away or get back to me right away. If I need to get something checked up on, they usually get us in the same day, if not the next day. It doesn't take very long at all. It's a challenge at first, but it does get a lot easier.